So karon we finally opened our Super Family Health Center. For short, ako na lang ning tawgon og Super Clinic or mini hospital, whatever you like to call it. But this is again one of the programs of the Department of Health in cooperation with the Cebu City government to really decongest our hospitals and to have the services nearer to the people, no. So muna nga they will turn over the edifice to us, amo ang yuta. And then kami na lang sa magpadagan ani including its maintenance. So we'll be putting in more staff here. We'll be putting doctors, we will be putting nurses as well as medical practitioners here kay para ma-fully operationalize na ni before June 30 is my deadline. So kung ano ni dire, it's the first time it was in Apas. And now, nanani karon sa Barangay Labangon, one sa north and one sa south. And we will continuously be trying to find ato mabutangan og Super Family Health Center kay para it will be closer to the people. Well, wow, I want you to be able to see, but our laboratories are all here. CBC, urinalysis, stool, what's up pa do? Chemistries, all chemistries will be here. Ultrasound, we'll have X-ray, ECG, we have dental, we have paanakan. So basically, all primary care services including mental health. No? So, of course, pero majority ani mga Cebu City residents. Yes. Hinay na to nig butang og equipo. Kani turnover ra man gini. Ako lang nagiklaro ba kay basig ugma nanay mga mo ni dire. So, can you imagine our barangay Apas, we already have about 100 patients.
200 patients.
1 to 200 patients per day. Can you imagine kanang 200 patients wa na niadto og mga hospitals. So we were really able to decongest. So we are thinking, dili sad even more kay mas dako mag population sa South District of Cebu City. Mo request Miss DOH og naay equipment nga pwede nila mahatag pud namo, but pending our request ambot we will have to purchase our own, or if naa na tayong mga existing, pwede na to ipang-transfer dire. Pila ang DOH? Mga 10 million from DOH. So wala may na gasto ang Cebu City government. Except the UTA, but that's not gasto, that's okay. Other issue.
Ang council kay ni approve sila kay design sa atong 19 Kamu schools for the scholarship program.
Okay.
Unsa may mo next pa nang move ani mayor?
We will sign it, syempre, no? Kay importante man na nga we have a partnership with the 19 schools. Kay that's really part of our scholarship program na to. We have over maybe 3,000 scholars per year, no? So muna nga importante sa ayo nga they have a wide latitude of choosing their courses and their schools. So paspasan na nato og kanang pirma.
Coming from now, mayor, is election day. So what is your hope for Cebu City and for the Cebu City constituents?
Hope for Cebu City? Well, we all love Cebu City, and my hope is that the new or old or whatever it is, ang mudaog ng mga kandidato will really think of the best interest of the city of Cebu, put the best interest of the city of Cebu forward, and look always for how to improve Cebu City and the lives of our people.
Mayor, since it's your first time to run as a mayor?
Very, very, very taxing on me, on my health. Most especially nga, I am not only serving as mayor, I'm also a candidate. So double ang akong trabaho, pero it doesn't happen anyway every year. Only happens once in 3 years. So we're coping, and our chances are very positive.
Mayor, at isuguro ko sa brigada ni kay waka Joel. Di ba kuno ka ang inyong partido, di ba kuno kahigayon meeting ni?
Well, karong gabi na ami mini rally sa Barangay Guadalupe. So you're all invited to come. Mini rally lang ni siya. Ako man kung gitanaw ang weather ba o kanusa gyud ta makahihimo og dako gyud nga rally, no. So kapila na almost the past 2 or 3 days di una na ang among mga mini rally, so muna nga I'm very careful, but tonight we have one. It's a mini rally dito sa Barangay Guadalupe.
Other issue, Mayor,
Go.
about sa Guba Community Hospital.
Yes.
Consider to express concern for flooding and molds dito sa...
Yes, ako naman we already addressed that a few months ago. That came to my attention nga ang Asa naman to ang DOH? It came to my attention nga ang katong extension wing nga gitukod sa DOH. Again, no, for Cebu City. Nagka-problema sila sa contractor. Kay wa gitiwas kuno. So what I did was I called on the contractor, I called on DOH, I called on our own DEPW and disaster office. So ang problema dito nga nay areas magud nga murag magbaha. So timely kayong atong engineering intervention sa ato ang mga tao, dili sa ilang contractor. Sa DEPW ug disaster nakahimo na mig intervention sa engineering intervention. So di na dito magbaha, but it has not yet been finished, pero I got already a promise coming from the contractor nga mahuman na by perhaps the end of May.
DOH project o siyang
Yes,
wing?
DOH project. So do not blame the Cebu City government og naay mga kapakyasan kay dili na among contractor, di sa na among budget.